Okay, class, we'll begin our day with a few math problems. Okay, children, what is 10 times 3? Is the answer 30? Yes, 30 is the correct answer. Toe, can you please not laugh so much? But this video I'm watching is way too funny. Toe, you do know you're not supposed to have that phone out anyway. Besides, this is your question. 10 times 7. The answer is the phone. That is incorrect, and I expect that phone to be put away before the lunch period. No. Okay, class, now it's time for reading. Everyone take out your books. Now me, I'm still going to continue watching YouTube on my phone. Tell you do know we're trying to read here. Besides, you're not supposed to be on your phone anyway. Tell, like I said, I better expect that phone to be put away. Look at his lips. Tell, I am not joking. Please put away the phone. No! 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 Wow, you now want to talk back to me, right? Yes, because I'm not putting this phone away. Okay then that means lunch attention for you. Now I'm gonna take this phone away and you're not getting it back until the end of the day. A few minutes later. Welcome to lunch detention. You will be here for the whole lunch period. What a bad day.